In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF file. It's totally free of cost. If you have found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. First, you can see I go to google.com. Then here I type PDF editor. Then you can see this website. It's called like sage.com, and this is very drag and drop website. I use lots of years, is totally free of cost. First, you need to upload your PDF file. For example, I upload this file. You can see this is a CV actually. So you can edit any type of PDF file. So for example, I want to add senior marketing manager. So you can type SR manager. So you can see it's already added. If I going to scroll down, so you can edit everything and anything on here. This is very drag and drop. You can add your own number here. You can put on here, then add your own number. Like that's it. Now you can delete it. Okay. So you can see how I edit a PDF file. Now click on apply changes. Then it's already going to download. Click on download. That's it. It's already downloaded. If I open, wow, it's working. Thanks for watching. See you again.